Bây giờ đang là what time is it? What time is it? Bây giờ đang là it is 6 o'clock p.m. Bây giờ cháu đang chọn đủ là what time of day is it? Lúc gì hở giờ lý trả it is in the morning. Bây giờ nhớ cháu ya sơn gió. What time of day is it? Lúc gì hở giờ lý trả it is in the afternoon. Bây giờ nhớ cháu ya ta shu. What time of day is it? Lúc gì hở giờ lý trả it is in the evening. Bây giờ nhớ cháu ya chọn đủ. What time is it? Bây giờ tính là it is 15 minutes before 6 p.m. Bây giờ cháu mong chúa cậu chí phanh. What time is it? Bây giờ tính là it is 10 minutes before 6 p.m. Bây giờ cháu mong chúa cậu phanh. Today, Nuna. Today I will go to school. Nuna kuyomuka da. Yesterday, Nama. Yesterday was my birthday. Nama yoku nuyu. Now, Dashina. Now I am going shopping. Dashina kuyomu taku yokon. Tonight, Mana. Tonight I will have a party. Mana kuyomu gelaje. In the morning, Nyato ya shunza. In the morning, I will go to the park. Nyato ya shunza kuyomu ta hajong. In the evening, Nyato ya chondu. In the evening, I will make dinner. Nyato ya chondu kuyo wa mana. In the afternoon, Nyato ya tashu. In the afternoon, I will go see my friends. Nyato ya tashu kuyo mushua kuja pongyu. This Tuesday, Nyato nu ana. This Tuesday, I will go to a wedding. Nyato nu ana kuyo mu na chong. This week, Nyato vatina. This week, I will go to the farm. Nyato vatina kuyo mu tate. This month, Nyato lulina. This month, I will plant the rice. Nyato lulina kuyo mu jamble. This year, Nyato lushona. This year, I want to travel to Thailand. Nyato lushona kuyo mu shua taite. Tomorrow morning, Taki shunza. Tomorrow morning, I will pick up the money. Taki shunza kuyo munganya. Tomorrow afternoon, Taki dashu. Tomorrow afternoon, I will go buy the fishes. Taki dashu kuyo muyua janje. Tomorrow evening, Taki chontu. Tomorrow evening, I will visit my sister. Taki chontu kuyo mushua kutumua. Yesterday morning, Namha shenza. Yesterday morning, I saw the sheep. Namha shenza kupat ya. Yesterday afternoon, Namha tashu. Yesterday afternoon, I fed the duck. Namha tashu kupu ja'a. Yesterday evening, Namha chontu. Yesterday evening, I watered the garden. Namha chontu kuyede to jao.